Okay, be quick students. Can you all see the screen? Shall we start? Factorization. Okay, in which class ma'am I did factorization? Sholin's class? Okay. Tell me, Sholin, what did you understand by factorization? Okay, why you did not tell? You were in NCC. And for others, is it factorization or triangle? For us, it's triangle. Okay, triangle will concentrate in class. Okay, we'll do that later, students. First, what is factorization mean? Before that, what do you mean by factor? If I write 10, what are the factors of 10, students? What are the different ways you get 10? 1 into 10, you get 2 into 5, right? So the different factors of 10 are 1, comma 2, comma 5, comma 10. So these are known as factors of 10. Okay, now in ninth you'll have including alphabets. This is only a number, right? So the meaning of factor is you take the main question 10 and you take any number 1, 2, 4 or 5. Example, let me take 5. If you divide, the remainder should be 0. That's the meaning of factor. Okay, if you divide by 2s are 10, the remainder is 0. So these are the factors of 10. Okay, this is what you call factor of 10. Now when it comes to factorization, what do you mean by factorization? If I write 10x plus 5y, these are the two variables. Okay, we have two variables here, x and y. There are two terms. If I ask you all to factorize, for numbers you have to use HCF method. HCF, take 10 and 5. HCF stands for highest common factor. Tell me a number which goes in both. Alright. So what are the factors of 10, students? All of you tell me the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now, what are the factors of 15? I want all of you to respond. Tell me the factors of 15. 15, 3 into 5. That's it, right? And 5 threes are repeats the same. What are the factors? 1, comma 3, comma 5 and 15. So the meaning of HCF now. What do you mean by HCF? Factors we found. Did we find factors for both? We found the factors. Okay. What do you mean by HCF? Highest common factor. In this, which is common to both? What are the numbers which are common? 1 and 5. So we found factors. We know what are common. Which is highest, 1 or 5? 5. So the highest common factor for 10 and 15, what's the answer? What is the HCF for 10 and 15? The answer is 5. So this is also part of factorization. When it comes to factorization, you have to use highest common factor method. So you don't have to do each and every question like this. The simple way is, if they ask you to find the factor of 10 and 5, just take 5 and 10. 5 ones are a number which goes in both. What is that number which divides in both? 5 ones and 5 twos are. Apart from that, is anything common to both? No. Take one. You shouldn't take one. So what's the answer, students? What's the highest common HCF for 5 and 10? Answer is 5. Okay, this is for numbers. I'll give you one question. Tell me the highest common factor for 10, 20 and 35. All of you will find the HCF of 10, 20 and 35. Start from, see, you have to use these numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7. Just use these numbers. Tell me which number goes in all three. 5. How many times? 5 twos are next. And here 7. Anything else common apart from 5? Sherlin, did you understand? Okay, see, you can't take two common students because 2 is common only to them. What about 7? Is 2 common? Alright. So therefore, what's the answer? HCF of 5 is how much? Answer is 5. Now find the highest common for 18 and 27 students. Just use these numbers. Complete it. Yes, what's the answer, students? What's the least number it goes? 2 or 3? 3 6 and here. Next, anything common? Again 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are. Now, you're not supposed to write 33. You have to multiply them. 3 3s is how much? 9. So starting practice like this, once you get used to this, you can directly take, look here, 18 and 27. Can we directly use 9 times? 9 2s are 9 3s are. Is it clear? Understood? HCF students. So I'm starting from the basic. So all of you will concentrate. This is how you find HCF. Now when it comes to alphabets, let me take x to the power of 5 before that. If I multiply x 3 times, how do I write it? X to the power of x3, right? Next, x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 3. Now, when it comes to alphabet, it is not like numbers. It is totally different. Which one has less degree, 5 or 3? 3. So always take the less, for alphabet, take the less value outside, 3. Now, if you want to write the remainder, divide this x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 3. So whenever you divide, students, how many x's are present in the numerator? 5. And in denominator, 3. So if you cancel 3 and 3, how many x's are left? 2. So you don't have to do like this. Whenever you're dividing, remember this. Subtract the powers. What is 5 minus 3? X square. So inside the bracket, you're supposed to write the remainder. Next, take this along with the sign. Plus x to the power of 3. Divide by this. X3. If both are same, it gets cancelled. What is the answer? Plus 1. This is how you factorize alphabets. So whichever has least degree, take that out. Inside the bracket, write the remainder. Okay, don't write. When I'm teaching, don't write. All of you listen. Is this clear? Did you all understand? I'll give another one or two questions. Look, let us take x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2. Let us factorize this to it. Which one is common? I mean, which one has least degree? 2. Take x to the power of 2. See, starting one or two questions will be confusing. As we solve, it is an easy topic. Then, inside the bracket, divide this. What is 5 minus 2? 3. Then, divide this. What is 3 minus 2? X to the power of, what is 3? 1. Keep it as it is. Next, divide this. What is plus x square divided by x square? Both will get cancelled. So you get plus 1. Any doubts in this? Sherlin, what are you writing? Look at the screen. You're busy with your phone? Look at the screen, then later you won't understand. Stop using your phone or looking somewhere else, students. Look at the screen, concentrate. Make a note of this. That's the reason I told you to keep the video on. Just close all your notes, students. Close notes, textbook. Just keep tuition book open. Okay, now let me give you a number. I'll take both number as well as alphabet. X to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 2. How many terms are there total? Total how many terms do we have? 2 terms. First, go with the numbers, students. 10 and 5. What is the highest common factor? Factorize 10 and 5. What is the highest common factor for them? All of you will respond. What is the highest common factor? 5. Next, for alphabet, what rule did I tell you all? For alphabet, x square. Take the least degree, x square. Now, to find the remainder, divide this. See, let me take like this. 10x to the power of 5 divided by 5x square. Or you can even write inside the bracket like this. Plus, take 5x square divided by 5x square. 5x square as it is. If you cancel this, 5 ones are 5 twos are. What is 3 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is 3. And here if both are same, it gets cancelled, right? Plus 1. Just go through what I've done. So the basics, if you're not concentrating, if you're not able to understand, it is very tough. As we solve, the questions will get tough. Done? Did you all complete? Okay. Try one question. Try this. See, one more thing, students. If I write x square plus x to the power of y, even for this it's the same. Which one has least degree? Xy, right? Take xy outside. Divide both. When you divide, what is 3 minus 1? for x, and for y, what is 2 minus 1? Y to the power of 1 plus. When you divide both, see both are same, it gets cancelled, you get only 1. So sometimes we'll have two variables like this. Okay, try this question. 30x square plus, try this. First take 30, 10 and 12, find the highest common factor. I'll just a minute, I'll change the number. Yes, take 28, 16 and 12. Use these numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. Factorize numbers first. Tell me which number, students. What is common? Start with 2. What did you all get? 40. Next, how many times 2 goes? And 2 6. That's it? Or can we further factorize? 2 4s are 2, 3s are. What's the answer? 2 2s are 4. Number is tough. Now go with alphabet. Which one has less degree? No, no, not x, y. Only x. Is y present here? No, right? So, which is common? Only that you have to take. Forget y. Take x outside. Okay? Now, let me divide. See, if you're getting confused, you can even write like this. Later you can divide 16xy divided by 4x minus 12x square divided by 4x. Okay? If y is not common, why do you want to take y outside? Don't take y. So 4x as it is. How many times 4 goes in this? 7. What is 3 minus 1? X square. Next. Very good. X and x gets cancelled. 4y. Minus 4 ones are. What is x2 minus x1? 3x, right? This is the answer. Okay. So don't copy. Try to do it. Cross check. I'll give you one question. Try this. See A which is less degree. Check B which has less degree. According to that, take out and factorize. What is common for 8 and 12 students? No. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. What else? If you know directly, you can directly take 4, see, 8 and 12. Instead of taking 2 and 2, can we directly take 4 2s or 4 3s are? Yeah, 4 is common. Next, check if A is present in both the terms. Is A present? But which one is less degree? 1 or 2? 1. I'll take A outside. Next, check B. Compare B. Next, what's the next step? Divide it. Take this, divide by this. Take plus 12A square B, divide by this. So what's the final answer? Correct. A and A plus 4 ones are 4 threes are. B and B gets cancelled. 3A, right? Completed? All of you done? So this is basic. Second type of question, you'll get bracket question. Okay, bracket question is like this: 4xy minus 3 plus x. First, this entire thing is one term. Concentrate all of you. This is second one. First, outside the bracket 4 and 3. Is anything common to 4 and 3? No, nothing is common. Then go with the bracket. Can you see x and y both are same? Right? Check the degree, students. Which one has less degree? 2 or 1? 1. So take this entire thing outside. This is a common value. See, it is like this. If the question is like this, how will you all solve? 4 and 3, nothing is common. Just ignore. X square and x, which is common? It is common. X in bracket, what will you get when you divide? You get 4x minus 3. The same concept you're going to do, but instead of that, bracket method. See, let me delete this. I'll take x plus y outside. Next, in bracket, look here, 4x plus y the whole square divided by x plus y. Okay, now tell me degree. Just ignore x and y. What's the degree? 2 minus 1 is 1. I'll keep x plus y as it is. Look, 4 as it is. This 4xy will get cancelled with 1. How many 4xy is left? 1 minus. Your both degrees are 1. So both will get cancelled 3. Then further when you factorize this, x plus y, open the bracket. What is 4 into x? 4x plus 4y minus 3. Make a note. Completed? Okay. Now try this, student. See, before going with the bracket, check the number outside. 12 and 6. Anything common? What is common to them? Instead of taking 2 or 3, check the highest value. Highest, what is common to them? Good. 6 is common. Are the brackets same? Okay, let me take 2 here. Are the brackets same? Inside the bracket, a plus b, right? Which one has least degree, 3 or 2? So take 2 outside. Now divide it. Divide. Tell me what you get. Yes, what do you get, students, when you divide? 6 ones, how many times it goes? 2, sir. What about the degree? 3 minus 2 is 1. Just keep it as 1 or just ignore that. Minus. Everything gets cancelled. Whole square. When you open the bracket, 2a plus 2b minus 1. This is the second type of question where you'll have bracket. Okay. Sometimes outside numbers will be same. Okay, they will have common factor. All of you are done? Understood the concept of factorization? So it is basically taking out the common value, students. Basically take out the common value. Next. See, observe this. This is important concept. Now, is the any number same? Outside number, is it same? No. What about bracket? Are they same? Both have x and y, right? But your x is plus. Let me put minus here, students. One has minus x, and what about y? The other one has minus y, right? So when you have value like this, students, see, keep x minus y the whole square. This particular one, second term, change all the sign. Minus 3, put it as plus 3. Y becomes what? Plus y becomes minus y. Write it second. Minus x becomes plus x. Now are they same? Right? Now they are same. And use this method. Same like this. Okay. So make a note. If the bracket will be same but signs are different, then change the entire bracket value. So that's it. This is the last part. We'll start solving the questions. And Sherlin, maintain a separate book for tuition. Okay. So total how many example sums to? Around 5 example sums I gave. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Just go through all 5. If you have any doubts, get it clarified. If not, you won't understand the next one, students. I'll give you 2 minutes. First go through all the 5 examples. Any doubts? Shall we start solving? Okay, look at the first question in your text. What is the sound? Okay, look at the second question, students. Where is it? See, exercise. Can you open your textbook and check? Are these the questions? 5A. Out of will check. Response, students. Are these the questions? Okay. Look at total how many terms are there? See, plus and minus. Okay. Terms meaning this minus and this plus. Terms are separated using plus and minus. Total how many terms are there? 3 terms, right? First check their outside values. Is anything common? X, Y. For all three is any common alphabet? No, nothing is common. Next, go with the bracket. Do you think brackets are same or different? Tell me, signs are different, right? Okay, now look here. Xy, 3x square minus 2y square. If signs are different, what did I tell? This part, what you have to do? No, not shift, change, correct. Change and shift it. Minus yz becomes plus yz. Now, how do you change this? Minus 3x square becomes plus 3x square. Plus 2y square becomes minus 2y square. Is this clear? Now, zx and bracket. I don't know why they've given, directly they've given a tough question to solve. Okay, look at this part, students. Zx 15x square minus 10y square. Is anything common to 15 and 10y? 15 and 10? Yeah, keep zx as it is. Look here. What is common to 15 and 10? 5. Okay, let me take 5 outside. When you take 5, what's the remainder you get? Divide 3x square and divide this minus 2y square. Now I'll open the bracket. Zx into 5 becomes 5zx into 3x square minus 2y square. Let me write it here. 5zx into 3x square minus 2. Now observe the bracket for all three. For all three brackets are same. Okay. Now you can take it out. 3x square minus 2y square. If this comes outside, what is the remainder, students? See, let me show you all. Just imagine all this is gone. What is left? Xy plus 5x. That will be the remainder. Is this clear? Understood how to solve? Okay. Xy plus yz plus 5 ZX is the answer. Don't copy, try to solve it. First go through what you've done. If you're just copying, you'll have the answers, but you won't know how to solve this. What is Anya doing? Why no response? Anya, Alia? Sorry, not Anya. Anna, Alia. Okay. Go through this completed students. Completed, done. Any doubts in this? Okay, look, I'll explain once again, students. Okay, so concentrate. All the questions will be tough year after it. It's a lengthy topic. See, first thing, check the outside values. Okay, nothing is common. Second, check the bracket. In bracket, the first one and second one, signs are different. That's the reason we converted the sign. Okay. After that, check the third one. Was the bracket same in the third part? All of you will respond to it. Was the bracket same? No, no. How was it same? It wasn't same, right? We factorized it. So once you factorize, now the bracket is same. Okay. When bracket is same, take the bracket outside, write the remainder inside the bracket. Clear? Okay. So remaining will continue tomorrow, students. It's already time. Okay. Practice this one question. For homework, try solving this. Can you see this third question? All of you? I want all of you to solve. Okay. Whether you get it or not, try it and send whatever you'll get it. If you're not doing it, I won't let you all in tomorrow's class. So make sure you'll complete the homework and attend. Fine. That's it for today. You all can leave.